Arcade. Cinema.
Arcade?
Yeah.
Oh, game on. Oh.
In the trees. Ayan, dito kami sa Wind Creek Casino and Resort, mga kaibigan. Dito to sa Alabang. Yeah, it's plug-in. Yeah.
Just runs up your tree
SP.
Skating around here. Oh, that is. They have skating, it says. That must be wherever the amphitheater is.
$6 per.
Oh, Buffalo. I haven't seen Buffalo Gold in a couple years.
Yeah. Oh wow. Looks like we are in Vegas, ah.
Yeah, it's got the feel, right? Yeah, totally agree. Totally agree.
That's nice. You stand here, then.
I recognize all these things.
That's all glass, oh. So this is the.
We can leave here and smell the same.
Yeah. And huge. I remember in Tulilap, the casino there is the smoking area so tiny. Here is opposite. The non-smoking is so big.
Right. Yeah. There's a fire steakhouse. Cool. I remember seeing the advertisement for that. So I can see we get around us.
So nice, oh.
Really well done. That's cool. Great choice.
Video me daw. Using lights like connected with the music.
That's so great.
Look at the Christmas prices. Ay, this one is another exit pala. That's it. It's super Christmas here pa.
It is. I love it. They really hit the Christmas spirit hard.
Wow, this is nice. I like this. Oh.
That's a gorgeous car.
What?
It's gigantic. That's the prettiest Cadillac I've seen in a long time.
That's nice. I like red.
Isn't that something?
Yeah.
Boy, that is beautiful lines. Cadillacs used to be like 20
That's prices. This is prices. Cinema showing popcorn.
Oh, okay.
So you can watch cinema here.
That's ideal. 2,000 cash. Oh wow.
So how to win the car?
We
have
announced
card.
the winner. Like, you and I were in the casino once when they were announcing winners for something. It wasn't.
It's so funny when they play the music, disco music. The lights is like spinning too. Because they're playing music.
The cinema is very affordable here. It's like $9 to get in. Nueve $9.
So funny. When they're playing the music, the light is playing. Oh, it's playing na?
Kind of looking at the food on the peripheral.
She what?
My gosh, we don't need to go in Vegas to fly. $1 bet here. How much per bet here? 60. 60.
Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, that's right.
Would I eat a little bit lang? Just like this.
Oh, so that's another. It's a different one, right?
I'm watching all the trash can, no dash for cigarette because it's non-smoking music. So funny, every time they play the music, the light is dancing too.
Wow, it looks great now. Look at how cool it is now. It's like rainbow colors. Looks like candy. Oh wow.
Still super.
There you go. Yeah, that's cute. Okay, wow, that's Space Invaders.
So mga loves, itong casino na to is very unusual, no? Kasi when Creek Casino, meron siyang cinema, which is movies. At arcade, palaruan sa mga bata. Yan. This is the cinema.
I wouldn't mind coming up here. Check it out.
Combo. Oh, it's white Christmas tree. Come here.
probably tell we're talking with all the cinema stuff and well, we've never been to a casino for cinema. Okay, looks like the last showing is around 7 or so.
So, ang ganda mga kaibigan, no? Wind Creek Casino ito. 1 hour away mula sa bahay. Pero, meron silang theater, arcade, at casino. Diba? Lahat na. So, for Christmas tree. Santa. Partner Santa, oh.